Guys, it's K4F, and I'm in the finals versus England, and as you can see here, 90th minute. So, it's dangerous, right? It's done. I think I should choose... Oh, I don't choose. Oh my god, it's extra time for sure. Okay. Oh shit. Muller is injured, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's not my fault. Oh my god! They can't score. I'm walking because I'm drinking milk. Oh my god, I'm walking. Now I'm running. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god, no. I can't believe it. Oh my god, Pogba. Come on, Pogba. No, don't lose the ball. Don't lose the ball. Shit. Right. I'm playing well, I think. 4-3, 100th minute. Why is Sterling here? Yes. No. Advance, yes. No. Okay, Sterling, run. Run like you never ran. Oh my gosh. Yes. Kroos, attack. Kroos, do this for Real Madrid. Kroos. First period. Gosh. Okay. Come on. I can do this. Muller, Sterling, Pogba. Okay. All I have to do is continue like this, and I am a moneymaker. Okay, please, don't miss this. Don't. Come on, run, you little... Why? It could have been 5-3. The stupid post, man. Oh, yeah. Couldn't stop that. It was too fast, too strong. Okay, please. Ooh. Oh my god. Yay, no. Oops, I hit my controller. What? How? Okay, guys, look at that. Pulled hamstring, okay? Muller is not here. Close the door. Because I have to make noise. Oh my god, but Rooney. Let me put Dempsey, okay? I don't know why, but I'm just... Oh no, I'm not freshening things up. God. I'm sweating. If you didn't catch that, I was gonna hit him. Like, chase him in real life. Dempsey! Yes, Dempsey! God. Dempsey! Dempsey! Hey. Run, run, run. Pogba, please, I still have you. I still have you. That's not injured. I still have you. 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 Yes! Yes! Oh my god. Amazing. Please, they don't have time. They don't have time. I won. It's alright. I won the money. I want my money back, baby. Oh my god. Okay. Pogba, I still have you to be the star man of this World Cup. Okay, come on. Pogba, 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 Pogba! Yes! 6-3. I'm the goalie. Come on. Oh, ooh, ooh, hey. Oh, that's a good start. Oh, I still have Torres. Ew. Okay. Cross it in. Cross it in. Cross it in. We won! Yes! Okay. Bye, guys. See you guys in part 2 where I open a lot of packs.